Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps and the secret prompts to generate AI Polaroid photo using Nano Banana. So if you guys want to join the viral AI Polaroid trend and create the ultra realistic photos hugging a celebrity, best friend, or maybe a partner, so this is how you can do it. First, I'm going to show you the right prompt formula. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera, and the photo should look like an ordinary photograph. And the photo should have a slight blur and a consistent light source. And this one, don't change the face. So you need to use this prompt, the sentence right here, to make your face to look the same on the photo. And here for the background, I'm using white curtains, and for the last sentence, this is the pose. So the pose is with that boy hug me, both looking at front. Now you can just upload your photos and also your favorite celebrity. Okay, so in here, I'm going to use these two photos right here. Sorry. Okay, this one. So for the celebrity, I'm using Zayn Malik, for example. And in here, don't forget to use the tools Nano Banana. So click on the create images options, tap on submit, and you can just wait until the Nano Banana generate your AI Polaroid photo. And so the photo is done. So from these two photos right here, so this is the original photo, this one and also this one. Now it's combined into an AI Polaroid photo like this. As you guys can see, the face pretty much the same. Now if you like with the result, you can just click on this drop down to download the image in full size, and you can share it to your social media. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thing. So I'll see you in the next one.